Burping, also known as eructation or belching, is one of the most common ways that your body expels the excessive gas from the stomach. Use this remedies to cure burping. 1. Ginger. Put 1 tablespoon of thin ginger slices in a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain, add a little honey and lemon juice, and drink it 2 or 3 times a day. 2. Cardamom. Chew a few whole pods of cardamom 2 or 3 times a day to relieve stomach gas. Also, add 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom pods to 1 cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, add some honey, and drink it after eating a meal. 3. Mint leaves. When acidity is experienced after a spicy meal, chewing some fresh mint leaves can aid in cooling the stomach and are very effective in obtaining relief quickly. 4. Asafetida. Mix a pinch of Asafetida in a glass of warm water. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Also, use Asafetida powder while preparing curries and soups. Do not consume Asafetida if you take high blood pressure medication. 5. Cold milk. Cold milk has been shown to cause a reduction in acidity. It pacifies the burning sensation that is felt due to spicy foods and gives relief to an individual suffering from belching within minutes. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.